It's our first morning here in Portugal, and it's actually surprisingly nippy. But everyone wakes up quite late here, so I'm keen to just rip into a little surf and rinse off the jet lag. This is our van for 2 weeks. Ew. Oh, that was fun, just to wash off all the travel. It was about 9 o'clock and all of a sudden all these beginners came storming down the hill. It was like orcs exiting the gates of Mordor. And I was Frodo out there just going but luckily I got a few waves beforehand. So yeah, not too bad.
I hope I was still enough.
Well, in my experience, there's a line like that for a reason. What do you think it is? We just joined the line. There's bound to be some yummy food at the end of this or something.
Kale wants his Portuguese tart.
What do you think of my Portuguese tart body?
What Portuguese tart body?
This Portuguese tart body.
No.
Obrigado.
A few years ago, we came to Portugal on a big European adventure and got robbed. Everything stolen from the car whilst I was surfing. It left an ugly feeling about the country that I wanted to replace with fresh memories. Thank you. Obrigado. So we're not exactly sure what we ordered, but there were no Portuguese tarts, which is pretty disappointing. Oh, it's crispy. I had built up so much expectation coming into this trip because it's my first escape from Australia since 2019. But lo and behold, I arrived to a pretty flat ocean. Desperate for surf, I headed north, but instead of waves, I found wine, beautiful countryside, and beautiful towns. But even amidst these glorious experiences, my mind hungered for surf that just wasn't on the forecast. I often wonder about my relationship with surfing. It intertwines itself around every major pillar of my life, including work, relationships, family, spirit, and soul. So when it's not going well, I can sometimes feel heavily impacted by that. I haven't surfed for at least 7 days, so I'm getting very Portuguese tartish. Hopefully over the next couple of days I'm going to get some waves. It's been a bit of a mission, this one, but we're going to get there. More pretty sunsets. So last wave coming in, someone didn't quite know how to duck dive and their board shot out behind them. So that was a great first surf back. It was actually really fun and the board was going amazing. Heartbreak. Oh God. There we go. When your plumbing doesn't work.
The drain is blocked.
Alright, we're in Lisbon and we're going to chase down some good food and some interesting places. Hopefully it's better than last time. Hello.
Hi.
Can I get two, please?
For here or take away?
Take away, please. Thank you. Naughty. Thank you. I have cash for you.
Only card.
Only card?
Thank you.
Thanks. This is where the Portuguese body comes from.
Yum. They're warm.
It's real warm. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Almost overwhelming. I've never had so much FOMO. I've never had so much choice, so much overwhelm. we couldn't decide on anything, so we got everything on one plate. It's funny because I actually scored a really decent session after this in Peniche, and due to the stress and expectation I had on the swell, I ended up wiping the SD card before dropping the footage of it onto the hard drive. It's a reminder for me to stay present and to really try and observe my relationship with surfing as I evolve and transition into different stages of life. I'm so grateful I have the capacity to travel and do trips like this. It makes me really appreciate how much this platform has given to me, how much you guys have supported me, and how much growth I get to experience moving forward, both personally and professionally. And now it's on to France, having happily replaced my darker memories of Portugal with a beautiful 2-week holiday of eating, drinking, and the odd wave or two. I'll be back. It's just all these foods I haven't eaten before, and they're all just going directly to my chin. Oh God, I look puffy. I'm going on a diet.